In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a rectangle in AutoCAD. Whether you're a beginner, exploring the basics, or someone looking to refine their drafting skills. Understanding how to draw a rectangle is a fundamental skill that can streamline your design process. When it comes to creating a rectangle in AutoCAD, there are several methods you can use, each offering its own advantages. One of the most straightforward approaches is to draw it manually using the line command. To begin, simply type line into the command prompt and press enter. From there, you can either proceed to manually draw out your rectangle or enter specific measurements that define your rectangle's dimensions. This method allows for a high level of precision and flexibility, as you can create rectangles that meet your exact specifications. But there's another, more efficient way to draw rectangles, especially if you're working with precise measurements. This method involves using the rectangle command, which quickly becomes a go-to shortcut once you get the hang of it. To use this command, you can type rectangle into the command prompt. For those who prefer brevity, you can just type REC and press enter. What this does is activate the rectangle tool, giving you the ability to draw directly using your mouse or enter the dimensions of your rectangle if you're working with specific measurements. Using the rectangle command streamlines the process significantly. You're immediately able to input the desired length and width of your rectangle, and AutoCAD will instantly generate it for you. This is not only time efficient, but also reduces the chance of errors that can occur with manual drawing. It also gives you the ability to work in various workspace units, which can be easily configured in your settings, ensuring that every project meets your exact criteria. While both methods have their places in different scenarios, mastering the rectangle command means you can quickly respond to changes in design requirements, adapting on the fly without having to redo large portions of your work. It's the ideal skill to have for anyone serious about efficiency and precision in their drafting tasks. So whether you enjoy the hands-on approach of manually drawing with lines or prefer the rapid and precise capabilities of the rectangle command, practicing these techniques will enhance your productivity in AutoCAD. With consistent practice, you'll find that drawing rectangles, and indeed any shape or design, becomes second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and happy designing.